How to apply speed ramping in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clip you want to use. Then drag the clip onto the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select Time Remap. This feature allows you to create smooth speed transitions using keyframes. After enabling Time Remap, its panel will appear. Move the playhead to the point where you want the speed change to begin and click to add a keyframe. Then move forward and add another keyframe where the speed should return to normal or shift again. Now adjust the curve between the keyframes to control the timing. A steep curve will speed up the clip while a flat or straight curve will slow it down. You can also drag the keyframes closer or farther apart to fine-tune the pacing. Use the playback option to preview the effect. Keep adding and adjusting keyframes until you achieve a smooth speed ramp effect, such as transitioning from slow motion to fast motion or the reverse. Now you know how to apply speed ramping in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.